Oops, tape's not even on. We're trading Dendreon in after hours right now. And basically what we'd like to show you is it's moving very, very, very fast. And we bought the call contracts. In fact, the stock is moving so fast that people can't even keep up with it. It's not even hardly populating my option. What I would like to show people is right here on this options contract. What I would like to show people is that they were $7.45. When the stock was halted, they opened it up. When the stock came all the way back down, what I did was I sold into the stock. I mean, I bought the low end of the contract. Here's the price, $2.79. The high was $7.45. And now we're burning. The high was $54.48, and they brought it down. And so what I want to show, the lesson here is that's how it's done. Say, that's how it's done. I can't hear you. And I didn't pay retail, and there's 1,800 contracts that 200 of those right there are me on a different account. And I bought, you know, I just sold those from the low because it's a big trade. They're probably going to go higher nonetheless. And basically what I want people to know is this is how it's done. And it's all up in the air here. Do you hear me? Did you hear what I said? Okay. Well, the volatility means it's going to go up in the air, it's going to come down a little bit, and, you know, so that's what I mean by up in the air. It's just going to be up and down. Anyway, this is the call contract. Let me put the actual equity in here so you can see what's going on there. Okay. And basically, we've got a good hook on those calls, and the thing about it is it's ripping its rear end. It's ripping its rear end. It's moving so fast that people can't even keep up with Charlie. Did you hear me? Say Charlie. It's moving fast. You see it? Because it is. There's a 3-minute chart. Here it is. And what we have to see is that this breakout continues to go up and go higher. You hear me? That's what we got to see. Right? Right? Here's a distribution bar. Right there. There's a distribution bar. So we're going to watch that relative to what? That $50 call, which we own. And basically, we're going to hold the call. Because when all of this noise clears out, we're up $410 here. We paid $279. The high was 7.45. The low of the day before the news came out, they closed at $1.70. Then the news comes out, stock runs up all the way to $54 because that's what it did. And you can see how fast that the stock is running right here once again. And, you know, the thing about it is they closed at $1.70. When they popped the stock up to 54, the contract went to 7.45. And because of the way that this runs, profit taking, buying, selling, people don't know what's going on. That's going to take these up and down. But I got a fairly decent price at $279. I did not pay $7.45 up here. Okay, they closed at $1.70. I'm $1.19 premium to the close, and the big news announcement and the big run up and the buyers and the sellers coming in, and I'm going to hold the contract, and that's DND.